In this instructional video, I will demonstrate how to activate the Do Not Change passcode feature on your iPhone, which prevents unauthorized individuals from altering your device's passcode if it is lost or stolen. By enabling this feature, you enhance the security of your device and increase the chances of its successful recovery. To activate this feature, navigate to your iPhone's settings and select the Screen Time option. And select Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down to the Passcode Changes section and toggle the Don't Allow option. Once this feature is enabled, the Face ID and passcode option will no longer be visible in the settings menu, preventing unauthorized individuals from accessing and modifying your device's passcode. This added layer of security safeguards your iPhone and its data in the event of theft or loss.